Are you ready to boost your online sales? Funnels can multiply your revenue. Learn how to create a funnel that works effectively. A sales funnel is a step-by-step process. It guides potential customers from awareness to purchase. Funnels help convert leads into happy customers. Let's dive into the process of creating a funnel. First, understand your audience. Who are they? What do they need? Knowing this will shape your funnel. Next, create awareness. Your top-of-funnel content should attract people. Use blog posts, social media, or ads. Provide value to grab attention. Once people are aware, it's time to engage. Offer valuable resources like free ebooks or webinars. This builds trust and leads individuals deeper into your funnel. Now let's talk about the consideration phase. Showcase your digital product. Share how it solves problems. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions to hold interest. As users consider your product, it's important to provide social proof. Share testimonials and case studies. This reassures people of your product's quality. Next is the decision phase. Create an enticing offer. Use discounts, bonus materials, or limited-time deals. This encourages users to make that final leap. After they purchase, it's not over. Nurture those new customers. Offer follow-ups and customer support. This increases satisfaction and loyalty, turning customers into repeat buyers. For example, think of an online course. First, market it with valuable tips on social media. Offer a free lesson. Once they're eager, show the full course with bonuses. Then, create urgency with limited-time discounts. After purchase, send follow-up resources to help them succeed. This keeps them engaged long after their purchase. To summarize, creating a sales funnel involves 3 main components. Attract, engage, and convert your audience. It starts with understanding who they are and what they need. Finally, always nurture your customers even after the sale. They can become your best promoters. Ready to create your funnel? Start by understanding your audience today. Check out our resources for more tips and build your successful digital product funnel.